Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang situation ninyo 1 year from now, from the time na mapanood mo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. I-check nyo na lang kung yan, kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. So, Virgo, kumusta kayo 1 year from now? Tingnan natin ano yung situation ninyo 1 year from now. Peacock, ayan, transmutation, awareness, liberation. I feel like you are going to protect yourself more. Yung mga bagay na binabato sa'yo, negative, yung mga negative energies na binabato sa'yo, kayang-kaya mong i-convert yan into a positive energy. Dahil alam mo sa sarili mo na through that, kaya mong maprotektahan yung sarili mo. So parang ano to, no? Hindi ka na basta-basta maaapektuhan ng mga sinasabi ng iba, opinion ng iba. At in case na meron ka mang matanggap na negative energies or thoughts from other people, yan ay kaya mong baliktarin into a positive one. Let's say, merong tao na magdi-discourage sa'yo, sasabihin sa'yo, you're not good enough, and so on. Pero hindi mo yon iti-take as parang criticism sa'yo. Kumbaga, iti-take mo yon in a positive way dahil mas patutunayan mo sa kanila that you are good enough. Okay? So, dahil doon, mas lalo kang magiging matatag. I feel like mas magiging open-minded ka, no? Hindi na yung tipong parang laging kailangan pinagtatanggol mo yung sarili mo kasi you know how to choose your battles na hindi lahat pinapatulan. For you, sayang yung energy sa mga maliliit na bagay na pwede mo naman napalagpasin or wag mo nang hindi na kailangan pansinin. Okay? So, you have the ray of light. Ayan. So, liwanag. I think ngayon you have more clarity, no? 1 year from now, mas malinaw sa'yo yung mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue, yung mga gusto mong accomplish sa buhay. So, kung ngayon medyo nalilito ka kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, kung ipagpapatuloy mo ba yung pag-aaral mo, magbe-business ka ba, magwo-work ka ba, magtatrabaho ka ba, or kung ano yung path na gusto mong tahakin. 1 year from now, nandun ka na sa path na gusto mo dahil decided ka na what you want to do. Okay? Meron kang vision and understanding about what you really want in your life. Let's see what else. You have flying fish. Ayan. So, itong flying fish, it's about blessings, no? Kasi 'di ba pag sa yung mga mangingisda, kapag sila ay nasa nasa dagat at yung mga isda is lumilipad na talaga papunta sa boat nila, they consider that as blessings. Kasi hindi na sila ganun ka mag-e-effort para manghuli ng isda kasi yung mismong isda pumupunta na sa inyo, sa kanila, no? So, this is also about leap of faith. Pagkakaroon ng matatag na pananampalataya, paniniwala, na ano man yung pagdaanan mong challenges, meron at meron niyang solusyon at malalagpasan mo. So talagang pagkakaroon ng fighting spirit. Ayan. And I think you're going to be more adventurous then 1 year from now. You will try to explore places or mga bagay na hindi mo pa nasubukan before na gustong-gusto mong gawin. So ngayon, 1 year from now, may pagkakataon ka nang gawin yan kasi mas malakas na yung loob mo. Let's see your overall energy, Virgo, 1 year from now. You have the High Priestess. So this is about your instinct, your intuition, clarity in your situation. I think mas magiging on point ang inyong intuition, your instinct ninyo. Yun yung magiging guide ninyo. Lalo na if you will be practicing different forms of divination or mas magiging matatag yung spiritual na practice mo, no? Whatever you are, ano man yung spiritual practice mo. Kasi iba't iba tayo ng spiritual practice, belief system, but definitely you are going to be more connected to your higher self. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng mag nagtatry kayo na, yun nga, gumamit ng different forms of divination. Like, for example, kung dati nanonood lang kayo ng mga tarot readings, 1 year from now, ikaw na mismo yung gumagawa ng mga tarot readings. Something like that. Okay? So, let's see your possible challenge. You have the Two of Wands. So, may mga decision making ka na magiging challenging para sa'yo, lalo na kung nangangailangan ito ng pag-alis or paglipat. Let's say, lilipat ka ng bahay, lilipat ka ng trabaho, yung merong movement, no? Lalo na kung you're someone na nanirahan or namalagi sa isang lugar or isang trabaho ng matagal na. So, it's going to be challenging for you na to explore. Kaya nga, as a challenge, it's time for you to try new things. Kasi you'll never know na mas maganda pala yung magiging outcome kapag ikaw ay umalis sa comfort zone mo. So, your opportunity, 8 of Cups. Speaking of pag-alis sa comfort zone mo, ayan that is your opportunity. So, ngayong 1 year from now, you have the opportunity to leave something behind para i-pursue yung gusto mo. So, let's say, gusto mong maging artista, ayan. Tapos, may work ka, may trabaho ka. So, parang susugal ka rin, no? Susubukan mo na i-pursue yung dreams mo, yung goals mo, at iiwan mo yung trabaho mo. Kumbaga, lakasan ng loob rin naman sa buhay, no? Para tayo ay maging successful. Kasi kung naniniwala ka talaga sa kakayanan mo, wala kang katatakutan. You don't have to worry about the outcome. Kasi ano man yung maging outcome, it's going to be favorable sa'yo. Dahil you will gain new experiences. And doon sa mga experiences na yun, marami ka ring matututunan na mga lessons. Okay? So, your blessing is the Page of Cups. So, as a blessing, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magkakaroon ng baby, no? Magkakaanak kayo, or bagong member of the family. Some of you naman, you will also be focusing on your creativity. Yung iyong creative talents, yung iyong creative skills, mas palalawakin mo yan. And syempre, kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, no? You are creating something, you will feel better na parang, wow, you can earn from that, no? Kumbaga, mas mai-inspire ka sa ginagawa mo. And through that, yung pera, no? Yung income, yung money will just follow. Susunod na lang yung kaperahan na yan, okay? So, for your money, career, finances, pwede rin may opportunity ka na balikan yung mga bagay na hindi mo na ipagpatuloy before sa trabaho, sa career, or sa business mo. You will also be spending more time with nature. Lalabas-labas ka rin. Oo, para makapag-distress, makapag-release ng negative energies. And also, I think, yung career or trabaho mo or business mo ay bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na makapag-travel at the same time, no? Yung tipong may enjoy mo yung nature, and at the same time, kumikita ka ng pera. You have the 10 of Cups. This is happiness. This is fulfillment in your career and in your finances. You have the 5 of Cups. I think ito yung isa sa realizations mo na hindi porket na meron kang na-miss out, no? Or may lumagpas na opportunity sa'yo before, ibig sabihin nun, wala nang ibang opportunities na darating sa'yo. So, I think you will realize na it's time to move on and move forward dahil meron pang mga bagong parating na magagandang opportunities sa career mo. Na I think this is like a blessing in disguise kasi pwedeng meron kang hindi nasubukan, meron kang hindi tunuloy or hindi pinursu na trabaho, career, or business, at somehow nagsisisi ka na sayang, hindi mo na pursue. Pero itong bagong darating na to sa'yo, mas makakabuti pa to para sa family mo kasi mas may oras at panahon ka sa kanila, mas meron kayong bonding time together, and you can do the business or yung trabaho mo with them. So, sa relationship naman, yung iba sa inyo, merong someone is making excuses. If ang isang tao ay hindi ka na binavalue sa relationship, then maybe that's the time na you have to reconsider kung magsistay ka pa sa relationship na yan. Some of you are in a very toxic situation or meron ditong codependency na tipong nakaasa na lang sa'yo yung person mo, wala siyang ginagawang improvement sa sarili niya. Maaring marirealize mo yan na it's time to leave that situation para mas mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. With the King of Cups, I think ngayon you are realizing, no? 1 year from now, marirealize mo kung ano yung value mo sa relationship at kung yung person that you are dealing with hindi ka pinapahalagahan, then hindi yun worth it, hindi mo din deserve yun. Yung iba aalis sa ganong sitwasyon. Okay? Tread lightly on the earth. Yes. So I think 1 year from now, magiging magaan lang yung takbo ng buhay mo, no? Lalo na you are going with the flow, hinahayaan mo lang na dalhin ka kung saan ka dinadala ng tadhana. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye!